Good morning, beautiful Bravehearts. It's Dr. Sage Wolf, and I'm out here in Melbourne, Australia. I just finished up a course in Coffs Harbour after I'm just doing some treatments right now in Melbourne for the next week and a half, and just working on some local clients who are wanting to be more mindful, learn how to open up those adhesed areas in their body, free their mind up, and learn maybe a perfect day diet depending on what they want. Life isn't fair, guys, and it never will be. You need to be able to say, it's time to take action. You want to change, you got to change. So by that meaning, sometimes people want to take action immediately, and that's beautiful. And sometimes it's baby steps. But as I'm saying, life is not easy, and it will never be completely fair for us. There's going to be trials and tribulations. You may have you may lose a family member. You may get an autoimmune issue. There is a plethora of things that can come into play that are going to bring down your frequency. But it's taking massive personal action, and that can be within baby steps. So every day, what we try to do at the BraveHeartNation.com is teach our clients, our trainees, that it's all up to you. There's nobody else that is going to do it but you. And so we want to teach you that your mind is a weapon, or it can work for you or against you. And so you got to try every single day, because there's going to be stuff out there every single day trying to bring you down. And you really need to take a look at your life of what is holding you back. Is it people? Is it substances? Is it friends? Is it family? Or is it yourself? But it's about doing those small little increment changes by wake up, have a glass of water, go out, get into nature, smile a bit more. Try to spread that love that's within yourself, because we all have love for ourselves to a degree, but then we all put ourselves on the back burner. When are you going to make you number one? And as soon as you're number one, the love will flow to others. People will see that radiancy through you, and you need to be that change. And so today, I have a pretty busy next couple days here. I'll be working for the next 10 days, and then I fly out to Florida, and we're going to be doing our last course of the year in Bonita Springs, which is going to be amazing. So if you're interested, or if you're in like the US, or you want to come take a course before next year, check out BraveHeartNation.com. What I do is I teach non-surgical, so we go in for that adipose tissue. We go to see why we're creating that adipose tissue. Is it an acidic diet? Is it my mentality from releasing all that histamine, adrenaline, and cortisol, living in that fight or flight state? Because majority of the population, and this is me being nice, are in the present moment about 5 to 7% each day. So take a step back, get into your breath, know that you are the creator of your own destiny. You deserve the world and you can take it. What are your goals and what are your aspirations? Let's start writing those down and taking these small steps every single day to get there. And that's going to either be from diet, mentality, physically working out and doing something good for you. You just got to know that the world is going to attack, and that is fine. You may fall down, but let's try to fall forward and try to surround yourself with like-minded people that want to bring you up, that want to keep you on track, because life is never going to be perfect, but you have to strive for perfection and know it's not achievable, because you're amazing already, but it's time to be better, you beautiful Bravehearts. I just got to hop on really quick and just say I hope you all have the most blessed day ever, and we will catch you in the next one. Blessings.